Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix App Store verification required. If you are using iPhone or any iPad and facing the issue in your App Store that whenever you try to open your App Store you see an error that verification required, tap continue and sign in to view billing information. So let's see how can you fix these issues. You have to simply go back from here, then open your settings app here, then go for your Apple ID. Very first you have to make sure that you haven't any VPN connected. If you are connected to any VPN, try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, you have to go for subscriptions and you have to cancel all the subscriptions from here. If you find any subscriptions here, you just have to try to cancel them. After that, go back here, tap on payment and shipping, and here you'll find your payment method. You just have to update your payment method or you have to verify your payment method here, or you can also try to delete your payment method. So after deleting your payment method, you'll be able to re-add it. So you have to tap on this media and purchase it option and then select view account here. And after that, you must have to verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password. And here you just have to tap on your country or region option here. And here you have to select your own country or region in which you are living. So for example, I'm going to select this one. Once you have selected, just tap on this continue option here and then select agree in the top right corner. And here you have to add your payment method. So once you have added your payment method, just scroll down, add your billing address here. You just have to enter your billing address correctly, and after that enter your phone number, then your name. And once you have done all of these, you just have to tap on done option in the top right corner and your issue must be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issues, you just have to go for your Apple Support app. You can easily install it from your App Store or you can use Apple Support app. Here you have to select your iPhone from here, then select this more option, then select App Store, and then wait for this loading here. Just select get more help, then call us. After that you will find a phone number whenever you want to talk. You have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.